Water-saving gardening tips. Water is the lifeline of every garden, yet in many places it is becoming scarce. Learning to garden wisely with less water is not just an option, it is a responsibility. The first step is to water deeply but less often, encouraging roots to grow stronger and reach deeper into the soil, where moisture lasts longer. Early morning is the best time to water, as cooler air reduces evaporation and gives plants strength for the day ahead. Mulching is another powerful method. By covering soil with straw, leaves, or bark, you trap moisture and keep the ground cool. Choosing drought-tolerant plants is also wise, as they naturally adapt to dry conditions, needing less care. Simple tools like drip irrigation or clay pot watering systems deliver water directly to the roots, preventing waste. Even collecting rainwater in barrels can provide a free and sustainable source for your garden. Avoiding unnecessary runoff, fixing leaky hoses, and grouping plants with similar needs together are all small habits that make a big difference. A water-wise garden not only survives through dry seasons, it also becomes healthier and more resilient. Every drop saved is a step toward protecting nature and ensuring that your plants thrive without placing extra burden on precious resources.